Give your child a skill that lasts a lifetime. Are you looking for a way to prepare your son or daughter for the future? Coding isn't just about computers. It's a new way of thinking. Learning to code empowers children, boosting their logical thinking, sparking creativity, and sharpening their problem-solving skills. It's like a superpower for their brain. Our program is designed to be fun, engaging, and perfectly age-appropriate. We've structured our lessons to complement their school learning, not add to their workload. It's the perfect after-school activity that builds confidence and prepares them for a tech-driven world. We have programs for kids and teens aged 8 to 16, but seats are filling up fast. Don't let your child miss out on this incredible opportunity to secure their spot. Send a message to AJAX on WhatsApp right now at +94 72 240 9234. Reserve your child's spot today. Thanks for watching.